Welcome to PaidToday, how to email a contact from inside of PaidToday. So we'll go ahead and open up our contacts list. Let's find our new contact again. Here he is. We're going to go ahead and click View. And let's go back into the Notes tab again. And all I want to do here is click New Email. And again, we have a template for this, so we'll go ahead and select the first template. And I'm going to change the note template. I'll just say welcome our business. So this is going to send an email out. We'll go ahead and click OK. If we want to send an SMS, we can also do that as well. And this will work if you have a business phone line purchased.